Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your Android mobile. For that, go to your Chrome browser and search for ChatGPT. Now click on the first link that appears on the search list. Now you can see that there are many options, so you can see that one option that is named Try ChatGPT. Click on this. Now there are two options, login and sign up. You can also sign up or log in with your Gmail. So right now I'm going to log in with my Gmail. Click login. Now you can see that at the bottom part there are two options, that is continue with Google and continue with Microsoft account. So you can click the button continue with Google. Now select your particular Gmail address that you want to use for logging into ChatGPT. So I'm going to select one of my Gmail account. Now you can see that they are asking about your name. So put your first name and last name, then click continue. Now select your mobile number, send code. The code will be sent to your desired number and you have to put the code in this section. So I have got my code, now I'm going to paste it here. Now you have to just skip these portions, just click next, then again next, then click done. Now you can see that your ChatGPT is ready to answer any questions. So I have asked ChatGPT to give me a script on top 10 places to visit. Let's see how it responds. You can see that how skillfully and easily ChatGPT is writing the script for me. Isn't that so much amazing and splendid? So you can also easily ask anything and get it in a second like I have got. So that's all for today's video. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next one.